What's up guys, I'm Father Whitey here and today we are playing Super Cat Tales 2. We are back in with this, so let me just begin. Okay. Been a little actually just a day ago. So yeah. World 2 to 1 Open Sea. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh, we gotta find a boat to cross the ocean. Looking for a boat? Anyway, Shinji and just so happen about to sit and sail across the ocean. Can we come with you? Sailing the ocean isn't kids' play. Hey, when you calling kids, we both Ogunten Army coming. Me too. Whoa, say no more. You got yourself a boat. Let's go.
We're going full steam ahead. The Tin Army must be way ahead of us. I bet they've set course of the Sun region. It's an exotic place full of mystery and legend. I have a bad feeling about this. Don't worry, I have a friend in Rameltown. He'll help us. What was that? Hold on to something. Are you guys okay? Still in one piece. Let me go ahead and I can swim against strong currents.
Shinji joins the team. Hey! Okay. Let's go. Whoa! Shinji could now do that? That's so cool. That's so much better. Oh, okay, did you fall? Wait, I saw water in the beginning. I wonder if it's so clever. Oh my god. I wonder if it's so clever. They're gonna put a bell right there. There's no way they would do that, right? I don't think so. Wow, that's just insane, dude. That is just insane, and I can't even go over it. That is insane for do that, honestly. Okay, next level. Okay. Oh gosh, I forgot those things was in Super Cat Bros in the first place. Should I call it Super Cat Bros or Super Cat Tales? Because the game name is Super Cat Tales. I saw a bell up there. I don't know how you're getting it. Maybe I walked through a wall or something. Who knows? Let me climb up. I can't reach. I cannot reach. Oh my gosh. Okay, next section. There's a fish. He just go down. Oh my gosh, he hit me. Oh my god. Okay, I finally did that part. I had to lock in. Well, let's continue. There's a level clear. World 2, Coconut Island. So there we go. Ow! I'm already getting hit by a coconut. That's insane. I didn't know the coconut would hit you. Haha, it's like the one. Okay, already got the bell. Okay, okay, don't get another bell, don't get another bell. Nothing to say. I just don't have nothing to say. Okay, climb up these walls. Break down this wall. Kind of suspicious get coins here. Let's snatch some coins. Ooh. Nice speed jump, nice speed jump. Whoa, there's just monkeys here. That's insane. Okay, jump over here. Oh.
It's a tin army. They're sailing close to the coconut island. This is the perfect chance to sneak onto their cruise ship. Okay. Take the coins and there we go.
Okay. Okay. Then we do this. Jump. Wee. Oh. We missed that bell. We're going for that. Okay, I got the bell. Go to the next section. Welcome to Rumble Town. There's parkour up here. That's interesting. Whoa, how do you get that bell, dude? What? Wait, what? Never mind. Wait, let me go. Where do I want to go? I don't even know, alright? We could go up here. Okay. My biggest what now? Okay, first let me go and get this bell. And I miss. Completely miss. I just completely miss. Okay. What you wanna say? Just psych, I don't wanna read no more dialogue. Dude, is that what thing that is, dude? Look familiar now, right?
Oh no, the tin soldiers are here.
Shinji? Is that you?
Wow, good to see you, my friend.
Those 10 goons will be here any second. Phew! That was close, haha. Thanks for helping us, lol. What brings you to those war?
We're on a mission to stop the tension.
Oh, whoa, really? That sounds like a lot of work. You must be tired and hungry. Let's eat something, would ya? See?
Yeah, now we're talking.
But this is delicious. It's not spicy enough. It's hard to get decent food these days. The land is dry and the poor are getting poorer. On top of that, the desert roaders keep pillaging Rommel Town. The gorgeous glorious part of the second region is just a distant memory.
That's awful. So why is the commander Cobalt searching the area?
I think he's looking for a passage to the East Mountain.
These mountains?
Endless battles were fought to banish the evil hidden in the East Mountains. Miners dug deep into the planet to find the rarest crystals. An expert blacksmith worked tirelessly to exploit the planet's riches. It's said that there are legendary crystals that hold our planet in balance. There's a shortcut to the East Mountains inside the giant ground. I'll give you the key, do you? Oh my god, in exchange for Desert Raider stole all my chili peppers. Bring me 3 chili peppers and I'll give you the key to the pyramid.
Okay, consider
It's done. Excellent. Wow. New level. See. Whoa, breeze now blowing. Kinda cool. Sexy. Whoa. Oh, these coins. Oops, I don't go down here. I could go down here. But don't go down here. Could go down here. Shovel. No, I'm good. I'm good. What in the ice is chasing me? Okay. Wow, 30 bells, that's insane. Well, I guess it's time to farm.
I saw the kittens got lost while you were away. Where have you where have you been? I'm on a mission to say I'd be happy to join, but you will find all the kittens first. They must be hidden in the other levels. Come in the blah. Okay, Amy, I'll be back here.
Wow, finally completed the thing by one. Oh, ow. Ow, ow, I hope I don't die, I hope I don't die. Okay, okay. Oh no.
The entrance is locked. I have to go back to Rumble Town and ask Lord for the key.
Oh my gosh. Ow. Ow. What am I gonna do now? Okay guys, if you enjoy, like and subscribe. And see you on next video. Peace.